Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to custom blend a particular shade of lipstick. So you're online, you're looking at lipsticks, and you see a lipstick that you really like, and you're like, oh, I don't have a lipstick that color, I have to buy that. Well, wait, maybe you can make it. Okay, so I'm going to use this, which is a makeup mixing palette, but you don't have to have something like this. You can use an old small plate or you can use a mirror, you can use, whatever you have. Okay, so I was online looking at makeup and I saw this lipstick by Revlon called Gut Instinct, and I was like, wow, that's a really pretty shade of nude lipstick. And I went all through my lipsticks and I did not have a lipstick that color. So what I did do was I picked out the two lipsticks that I had that were the closest to that color, which is the e.l.f. O Satin lipstick in Dirty Talk, which looks like that, and the LA Colors lipstick in Pinky Swear. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lip brush. This is by Real Techniques. I don't know if it's available still. I've had it for a very long time. And I'm going to load up my brush with plenty of the LA Colors lipstick, and then I'm going to put it in the palette. Okay, then I'm going to go to the e.l.f. lipstick and I'm going to go on the side of the lipstick so that if I just wanted to wear this on my own, it wouldn't have the other color on it. And now I'm going to put that right over the other shade and mix it. And we're going to see if we can get that color that I'm looking for. But it looks like we have a winner. So those two colors mixed together look like the color I was trying to emulate, which is Revlon Gut Instinct. So you may not have the exact shade in your collection that you want, but you probably will have something slightly lighter and slightly darker, and mixed together you will get the color that you want. I just saved myself $9.48 plus tax, so close to 10 bucks I just saved by doing that. I don't have a ton of nude lipsticks in a bunch of different shades, so these two together gave me the result I want, and it was very easy to do. And if you don't have a lip brush, you might have a small eyeshadow brush that you can use instead, or maybe you have an eyeliner brush that you can use instead. But this is the color. I wish I could put a picture up of that lipstick so that you could see, but you can look it up on your own. But yeah, so mix your lipsticks together to make the colors that you want. Bye guys.